Okay, boys and girls, make sure you get your research companion book. That's the red book with the hardcover, and follow along as we read. Okay, so we are on page 12. We're going to go ahead and read all of this, and then we're going to go ahead and record our response. All right, so let's go ahead and follow along. And our essential question is, how do rules and laws help us? So that's what we're focusing today. How do rules and laws help us? And we're going to learn about communities. So let's look here. Community laws. Your class is a small community. People are also part of a bigger community. Bigger communities called towns. Towns have rules for citizens too. Towns' rules are called laws. You know some laws about bikes and cars. People must wear helmets to ride bikes. Children must ride in the back of the car seat. Children must ride in the back seat of a car. They must use seatbelts to keep them safe. Okay, so let's look at these pictures. You see this boy here? He has a helmet because he's using his bike. I want you to think, why do you think he has a helmet? Why is that a law? Why is that a law? Now let's look at this boy. This boy is riding in the back of the car and he's making sure that he's wearing his seat belt. This is his seat belt. Okay, now let's look over here and we're going to read on this side. Our country's laws, the United States has laws too. The U.S. Constitution describes the laws for the United States. The first leader of our country wrote the Constitution. The U.S. Constitution has laws about how to choose new leaders. Other laws help citizens get along. Laws make sure citizens and leaders are fair to each other. If you look at this picture, it says, "We the people." And this is the U.S. Constitution was written to help citizens be fair and they get along. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to record yourself. What is a community? Okay. Now, if you don't know what a community is, look over here. What is a community? Name a law in your community. And where do the laws come from? So, those three things you have to answer. What is a community? Name a law in your community. And where do the laws come from? Go ahead and record your response and upload it to Schoology.